1 in 3 tiger cubs do not survive their first year. Infanticide is the biggest killer. Male tigers kill cubs that are not their own, so ensuring that the mother will become receptive and mate again. But for now, this tigress and her cub are safely out of sight. Nearby, the curiosity and naivety of the 2 slightly older cubs make it more difficult for their mother to keep them hidden. The cub's boisterous behavior attracts the attention of a male. Male tigers may have several litters scattered through their territory. If these are not his, he will kill them. The cubs greet their father. He scent marks before settling down with them. The forest floor is thick with leaves.